profile. Review our terms of use and privacy policy. Tap accept so that I can deliver your personalized fitness experience. Review our consent declaration. When you're ready, tap accept. You can withdraw consent at any time.
Okay.
What are your current fitness goals? Choose up to 3, then tap next. Tell me about your fitness level. This email address and password will become your login.
Don't hide the camera again.
I did. English bulldog in there. She's not friendly, so we have to keep her locked up. She's our Cujo.
So it says I've already got an account because I created one on the JRNY app. I'm assuming that's what it is. So let me cancel.
What are your current fitness goals? Choose up to 3, then tap next.
Alright, so I need to go all the way back.
Review our
So you
terms
take
of
this
use
part?
and privacy policy.
You're
Tap
gonna go
accept
further.
so that I can deliver your personalized fitness experience.
Okay, thank you. There's gotta be a way to do it. I know, right?
Tell me about your fitness level. Great. Now you're ready for your first workout with my good friend V, a talented trainer.
Hey there. Yep,
thank
I'll
you,
get you
sir.
moving. My specialty is customizing workouts just for you.
want a
It's
Coke?
true. You'll get a lot more out of having an extremely knowledgeable walking and running coach at your side. Take it away, V.
Thanks, Max. Okay, let's get ready to jam. This workout will take 15 minutes. Grab a water bottle and towel if you need them. Then push the start
I'm not gonna
button
work
when
out
you're
for
ready.
15 minutes on camera. Not yet anyway, I need shoes. So is it gonna do it or?
Programs.
Oh, fantastic, okay.
And you can just,
Select whatever.
Training.
if you have a membership, get membership.
Okay.
But that'll do your, just for you, your get started workout.
Okay.
Hit start here, and it should get started. We'll start moving here in 2 seconds.
Hi, I'm Max. Welcome to the Bowflex family. I'll help you get started with your new Bowflex Treadmill with V coaching. I'll cover setup, adaptive workouts, and key features. Once your product is assembled and powered up, follow along to create a profile. Your first workout is a guided experience with my good friend V, a talented walking and running coach. It takes 15 minutes and helps us create your adaptive workouts.
Hey there. Yep, I'll get you moving. My specialty is customizing workouts just for you.
After you complete your first workout with V, you'll be able to access and start your adaptive workouts from the Just For You tab. Every day we'll serve up new recommended workouts. You can adjust the time and difficulty level based on how you're feeling. These workouts are personalized and adapt to you over time as you become more fit. Here are a few features to help you get the most from JRNY. In workouts, you'll find several tabs. The Programs section contains a library of adaptive workouts, with or without virtual coaching, along with standard programs. Explore the World lets you walk or run through stunning outdoor destinations. Go to Videos for trainer-led workouts. Learn has educational and how-to content. Once you've selected a workout, you can stream entertainment like your favorite shows and music, or walk or run along through stunning outdoor destinations. The Journal is a great place to track your progress. You'll find today's workout results, workout history, and updates to your goals and achievements. In Profile, you can edit your goals, membership, and personal information. That should get you started. Keep checking back as we'll keep adding new features and content to help you achieve your fitness goals.
Nice intro.
Very nice, huh? Okay, so can we just make sure it works and everything while you're here? Just because I'm not going to make you watch me work out for 15 minutes.
Happy
I
birthday,
forgot you have that
Lori.
time.
So here goes.
Oh, it's going to start.
It actually said your
With
name.
a sluggish afternoon slump and with a great workout.
So you got your controls either here. This is incline.
Let's
That's your
start
speed.
walking from
Same
what
thing
I'm
as here.
about to do.
This is your
Set a
incline.
low
This
speed
is
that's
your
comfortable
speed.
and set the
Also
incline
here.
to
I
low.
love
This
these.
is a 15-minute workout designed to help me assess your fitness.
Do
Whether you're a runner
incline.
or
Just to
walker,
see if it
I'm going to
works.
learn about what your body can do so that I can tune our next workouts
It's
to your
working.
level.
I see it
The
going
more you
up.
work out with me, the
Alright,
more I
it should
find
go up to
my coaching
15,
your
right?
ability.
Oh, 12?
Which will make each workout more effective for progressing you toward your fitness goals.
Oh,
In this
yeah, still
assessment,
going.
you'll move at varying effort levels ranging from a very light to an
20.
all-out push. I'll coach you
Let's see how
each
high
step
this
and
is.
learn how you should feel based on your hunger and breathing. Okay, let's get going. Give it a very light effort until it really drops. You should feel comfortable. You can have a sit-down conversation with me.
That's 20, huh? Does it look very high?
Yes, it does.
Okay. And I'm not hitting the ceiling. Okay, I'm going to bring it down.
That 20% incline is really high.
Yeah?
Oh yeah.
Doesn't feel too bad.
Oh, you can really see it from here.
I'm taking it down to a 4. I love these handles. You don't love this. What a difference from climbing.
All right, Lori. You want to lose weight, huh? Today's a great first step to transforming your body. All you gotta do is stay consistent and unfixable, one day at a time. I've helped thousands of others lose weight, and I know I can help you. Just follow my lead. We're gonna build a foundation to help you succeed in all the workouts ahead. We'll hit 4 bursts of speed in total. The first 3 segments will require medium effort and will range from 60 to 90 seconds. The last segment, which closes out the workout, will be a 90-second all-out push.
Alright, I'm going to take it into a decline. Alright, so we have 20% incline and -5 in decline. And I'm waiting. Oh yeah, now I'm starting to
In
go
30
decline.
seconds, we'll push a bit more with a medium effort and hold it for 90 seconds. This will make you slightly breathless and will feel uncomfortable yet sustainable.
Okay, I'm going to back it up.
Ten more seconds to medium effort. You pace yourself so you can only say a sentence or 2 before you're out of breath. Get ready.
I know she's going to try and take me on a run. I can
Okay,
tell.
speed up to medium effort. The new pace should feel challenging. Hold it here for 90 seconds. Then
What do you
we'll
think?
take
Do you
back
want to
down
try
a
it? I
full
want you.
medium effort.
No, I do. I want you to
Pump
try
your
it.
Right now.
straight forward and back for a little extra push. Stand tall.
Is it reading my heart? Oh, it is. My heart rate's on. All right. Is there anything else we need to know?
I guess this is your stop button right
Okay,
there.
we're gonna hit it.
Working pause.
And this here is your emergency key,
Okay.
which if it comes
Alright.
disconnected,
I think we'll call it a day.
turn it off.
Time for me to get
Okay.
some digital beauty sleep. And you? Well, just take a shower, will you?
Just goes in there,
Okay,
push in.
that's it for now.
This
Bye.
is your clip that goes on.
Okay, perfect.
Or 6.
And then to fold it up.
Good effort. You complete this 20 minutes.
It's got a little lever on this side here,
We can deliver your custom workouts.
right here. Just push it in. This will go up. And to move it, you just drop it down this way, and you can roll it on the wheels.
Okay. Okay.
Back down. This.
And that's the same lever that releases it to go up. Okay, I gotcha. And then the power button's in the front? Is that correct? Okay.
Right next to the extension.
Okay, so I need to change where that's plugged in at. So
Yep.
is it okay to
Yeah, you
turn
just
it off
turn
and
it
then
off.
unplug it?
Yep.
Okay. Let me do that.
I'll take some pictures.
Do you want it plugged into Alexa? It's currently plugged into Alexa. I don't know if that's the best.
It's up to you. It's your machine.
Does it say it has to be into a grounded outlet? It might be easier to leave it plugged into her because then we can tell her to turn it on.
I leave it on the grounding.
Leave it on grounded? Okay.
Yeah.
That's what I wondered. Alright, so let me do this as that.
Just make sure you,
Turn it back on?
yes, while it's here, make sure
Yeah.
it turns back on.
Would you mind helping me just move it over a little? Just so it's straight, that's all I want. Just so the front end's straight. I'm gonna watch your magic here.
So you want to
Just move the front end over here this way.
swing that way?
Yeah. Now, do I need to move the man?
Yeah. I'll move it out the way first.
Okay, hold on one sec. There's something under there.
I'll probably disconnect it too.
Oh, okay.
So I'm gonna pull it.
Alright. There we go. Oh, look at you go. Yeah, this is not your first one, huh?
There's a machine to repair it. You have to flip it on its side or forward.
Really?
Oh, wow.
Okay, what do you think?
What machine is that?
That's the incline. Nordic track.
Oh, okay.
Oh, we were looking at those.
Yeah.
The X22i or
Yes.
X32i? Yep, we looked at those.
Those go to 40% incline.
Yes, we were actually looking at that one.
But it didn't have the best reviews on being dependable. Do you need me to help you?
Trying to get on.
They gotta make it interesting, don't they? That really moves that pad, don't it? Okay. I can see that. Huh. I think when it's on there, it's hard to move that mat.
Dude, I'll sit down.
Get the cord, babe. Get the cord.
The girls are all going crazy. Huh. Oh, look at you. Perfect. Great, wonderful. I just got to be able to get to the front for the power button and the plug in the back. Those can go quickly. Alright, I'm gonna hold it on. Come out. All right, what do you think?
Now, since she unplugged it, does she have to go back through the resetting? Okay.
So it'll log into your information and everything, just like normal.
And then to set him up on a separate thing.
You can add a person.
Yeah, can we add him?
No,
I mean,
I won't do it right now, babe.
Oh, okay.
Do it later.
All right.
I'm sure I can figure it out.
Wonderful job. Thank you so much.
Thank you, thank you.
Can I get a few initials from you?
Okay.
First one says that you received the assembly as you requested.
Okay.
Next
Hey.
one says that the machine was tested and working.
Knock it off.
There was
Okay.
no damage to the property during the visit.
Okay.
Next one could be blanket says you refused service. All
Okay.
parts that were sent were installed.
Okay. You don't have any left over that you took in your conference, right?
And then the bottom one says that you get to keep any parts in the machine.
All
Hey,
parts are customer owned. So this one right here.
Yes.
Cujo.
And signature,
No.
Okay.
print,
And
and date.
there we go. No, thank you. Thank you guys.
Thank you, guys. Really appreciate it.
Oh my
Hope you
goodness.
enjoy.
Thank you. We will. Thank you.
And
Have a good day.
Thank you.
Thanks. Bowflex T22, guys. Apologize for the video. I accidentally turned off the first one. Trying to turn up the volume. Didn't know if you turn the volume up, it turned the camera off. So it was only off for a split second. I started recording again. When I edit the video, I'll go ahead and just either try to put it together or just make two separate videos. Well, hopefully you guys like this video. Please give us a thumbs up. We would appreciate it. Subscribe to our channel. Gucci. So y'all see what it looks like when it was in pieces, and it took them exactly 1 hour to put together. As I was filming it here on our YouTube channel, I was watching the clock. It was exactly 1 hour to the T that took them to put this together. Now, we've been watching videos, and everybody that has one and has put it together themselves highly recommends for you to do have professionals put it together. Otherwise, it takes 3 to 4 hours to put this thing together by yourself. Look at these professionals. They do it all the time. Took them 1 hour to put this T22 Bowflex together.
thank you so much. You've been wonderful.
Thank you.
Have a great day. Bye.
Wow, that's a beautiful machine. You're still on camera, babe. I know, little ones. Mom will let you out, okay? Wow, that's a beautiful machine.
Gorgeous.
T22
Gorgeous.
Bowflex. Wow.
Oh, why does it say system failure on there already?
Because you unplugged it?
So you think I should grab him, or you think it's okay?
Oh no, touch something.
Oh, thank God. Thank God.
I was kind of afraid when you unplugged it was gonna
It shouldn't though.
cause an issue. Well, I hope it works before they leave.
Oh, it will. It will. It feels good to be on it. I can't wait for you to try it.
So as you guys can see, you plug it in. If you unplug it, it probably has to reboot itself again. And so it's it'll probably take a while for it to, for the screen to come back on. That JRNY stands for JRNY. It's the app that Bowflex uses for your personal training. That coach is on there. And they also have other apps for music. And you can also watch Netflix, Amazon Prime, and Disney Plus. So that's really nice. That was another determination why I decided to get this Bowflex T22, is because you can watch movies while you work out if you're not into working out with the trainer. And I do believe that there is apps on here that you can also work out on your own, where you can go for walks and runs in different places of the world.
Yep.
Ooh, I hope it kicks back on, baby.
It will.
It's taking a while.
I wonder if you have to touch it again, because that's just like the main page.
Let me see. As you guys can see, it's a touch screen. Yeah, I was afraid of that when I got unplugged.
He likes to touch up here. Alright, maybe I gotta get out the instructions.
You have their phone number, they called you. You can call them up and let them know that the thing's not working now. Sorry for the delay, everyone. We're just waiting for the screen to come back on. For some reason, you unplug the power, turn it back on. There's a delay for some reason.
Should be in the video now. Look at the manual and then we can come back.
We're gonna go ahead and end the video here, guys. Might have to call up the technicians to come back out here. For some reason, the screen's not turning back on. We'll guys give you an update when we actually figure it out. Thanks again for tuning in to another episode of our YouTube video here on Paradise on 18 Wheels. Thank you.
Bye.